Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and keeping in good health. Children, last class we started the new chapter, that is chapter 4, working with desktop. And also we have already learned how to change the background color or the wallpaper of the desktop. Today we will continue with the same lesson. Today we are going to learn how to set the screensaver and also how to set the desktop with the picture that you have drawn on the paint. So today you will learn to have your picture that you have drawn as a wallpaper on the desktop. So now first I will teach you the screensaver, setting the screensaver. Now first we will learn what is the meaning of the screensaver. What is the meaning of the screensaver? Screensaver button is used to protect the monitor. Screensaver is used to protect the monitor. Now, how does it protect your monitor? Screensaver will be activated only when your system means the computer, remains unused for a long time. When you don't use your computer for a long time, your computer is on. The computer is on, but you're not using it for a long time. That is what happens. The screensaver mode will activate. So to activate, first we have to go and set the screensaver. Only then it will activate. So now I will teach you how to set the screensaver. Only when you set the screensaver, then it will activate. Okay. Now I'm back to my desktop. Right click, click on personalize. You can see the pop-up menu box here. Click on personalize. And now you have to click on lock screen here. I told you last class itself, I am using Windows 10. So Windows 10 and Windows XP, you have some slight changes. I will let you know the changes afterwards. Okay, so now here I have to click lock screen since I am using Windows 10. To go to the screensaver, I have to first click on lock screen. Can you observe here lock screen? So now can you observe your children screen saver setting? I have to click on screen saver setting. This is the dialog box of screen saver setting. Can you observe here? Yes. Now for the screensaver setting, you have to also give time here. Okay. So when you're allotting the time, 10 minutes or 20 minutes. So when you don't use your computer for about 10 minutes, automatically the screensaver will be activated. So now first I have to select what type of design I want. There are many types of designs here. Now first I will click to ribbons. I'll click here. Now can you observe here? Now children, I'll give a preview. See, when you don't use your system or the computer for the for a long time, then automatically screensaver will be activated. I will change here to bubbles. Can you observe here? Yes. So this screensaver will also tell us that we have not shut down our computer. We have not shut down our computer. Our computer is still on. Okay. Now, in your reader book, it is different. That is only thing, since our reader book is Windows XP, there are slight changes there. So what you have to do, click on the mouse, right click on the mouse, so it's the same thing, but here you are having properties. Okay, I had told you personalize because I am using Windows 10, but here Windows XP, you have to click on properties. Then properties dialog box will appear. That is the same thing. And then rest is all same, time setting, and then whichever design you want, rest everything is the same. So I hope children you understood what is screensaver and how to set the screensaver. Screensaver is activated only when you do not touch your system or your computer for a long time. Then the screensaver is activated. Now I'll be teaching you bitmap images. Now what is the meaning of bitmap images? Bitmap is a type of file which is created using Paint. So whatever drawings that you are drawing using the Paint, it is called as a bitmap file. So whatever drawings you are drawing using the Paint is called as bitmap file. So now we'll be drawing. I'll start Paint here. I'm going to search today and writing here Paint. I just wrote P here. Can you observe? Paint is visible. I'm starting. In your reader book, you are having page number 29. The drawing is there, but I'll hurry a bit, so I will not be drawing exactly the same since I have to hurry up. So roughly I will draw. The first is I have to take a circle, and it is a big circle here, and then again I have to make two small circles here, and then again here. Then again I have to make two small circles here. Can you observe? Watch your reader too, and here. This is not exactly correctly done. So I'm going back to undo here. Can you observe? Don't rub. Just go to undo. And again, neatly. Fine. Now again, I'm going to do second circle here. Okay. And then again, I have to give two more eyes here and here. And then also again, two more circles, this side and this side. So now only I'm drawing the outer sketch everywhere. So then one, and again next is orange color. So colors, and then again we are having there this shape, and then you are having this star, and one more blue color star here. I'll do green now this side because already that has become blue. Okay. And one more circle here. Now next, circle, undo, click on the circle here. Okay. Now you have to fill colors. To fill the colors, click on this fill color. Can you see here? Fill with colors. Click here. Now first I will take brown color and fill in brown here. Next I will choose black color and I will choose black. I'll fill black here and here. And now I will click on green color and I will fill green here. And now I will click on black and I will fill black here as well as here. Okay, fine. So one more thing I have missed there, that is a smiley. I'll take this curve here. I will take a red curve here. Can you see the size here? I will take a thick curve here, thick line here. Already choose red and I will drag here and I will just drag. Okay, click outside. Oh, undo. Again, I will take here, click here. Okay, click back. Fine. Little more thick I will take. This one, red is already selected. Back and back. Fine, I'll click back here. Okay. Next is I have to also write good morning day. First I have to select a shape. Okay. Next what I have to do is I have to select this text box. Can you observe A here? Yes, select the text box A. Drag inside. Okay. And now already the font size is, can you see the cursor is very big, say big size since it is 48. So here is the size here to increase or decrease. Can you observe here? Okay. Already 48 is there. So I will just type good morning. And then I have to give the 2 stars. I'm going back to home. Can you observe here? Home. In home, I have to take stars here. 1 star is here. Okay. And I'll again click here and back to the yellow star here. And one more minute star is there here. Fine. And now I will color with yellow fill here. So next I will fill these here. I will take orange and here and some pink here, some green here. So I have done with the drawing. I have not done exactly, some roughly drawing I have done to show you. So now I need also to color this background here, children. So I'll take a light color because desktop will be very light and you can observe all your icons. If you're taking all gaudy colors, it's difficult to observe your icons. You cannot see your icons. So I would prefer to give a light color. I prefer to give a light color. Okay. So now I have done this. I have to save my picture file. Click on save as. Okay. And then I will give the name of my picture exactly. I'll give here picture 11. And then I have saved it in my own folder. You will learn later as you have to learn how to create a folder. I will teach you that time. Okay. Now I'll save here. Save. Minimize. Minimize. Right click. Click on personalize. If you are using Windows XP, then you have to click on properties. So now where I have to go already, I'm in the background here. Picture. You have to click on picture here. And now you have to browse. What's the meaning of browse? Browse is to search. So you have to search for your file. Browse. So what should I say? My file name is picture 11 here. Click here 11. Choose picture. Can you observe? This is a preview. Whether if you are by mistake, if you are click the wrong picture, you can see it here. So you can go back and again change. And now minimize here. Can you observe the desktop here? This is the bitmap image which you had drawn and you have set it as your desktop wallpaper. Okay. So back to the lesson now. So children, I have already covered up how to set the screensaver as well as how to draw a picture using paint and then to set it as your desktop wallpaper. So complete your notes neatly and send your homework to me in time. Thank you children. Have a good time.